What's up, guys? Friends of the North. I passed like a bunch of stages of these. For some reason, we're not killing them. Oh, we got a bunch of kills right there. Yes! Oh my gosh. We're doing tons of damage. I have a good strategy. Maybe even a bullseye now. And then put out a Wicked Bahamut right after the strike. No, I don't have enough money. I'll wait another time. Or turn. That was a bit stupid of me. Didn't even have enough money. There's just 100 attacks going out. A Wicked Bahamut is out. You're out. We're having everybody out here immediately. Everything's dying like so quickly. And a Wicked Bahamut hasn't even been hit yet. Somehow. Wicked Bahamut at almost point blank range, just being able to get meat shield, has not even been hit by anything. Oh, we have to knock him back, knock him back, knock him back, knock him back. Yes! Yes! We're just instantaneously knocking him back. He's probably gonna get hit on now. Yeah, that kills our entire train of like things that do damage, like Wicked Bahamut. Killed our Wicked Bahamut, which a Wicked Bahamut's one of the main reasons why we do this. Okay, we're getting absolutely destroyed by this guy. Oh, he got double knocked back. Like, he got knocked back by damage. Oh my gosh, he's killing literally everything. I don't even know if we're hitting him. Come on, just make him die. Please, yes, thank you. We have literally enough time for another Wicked Bahamut. It's not a new record. I didn't even get... We need to play that again. Because I got unlucky and was like 100 off. Yeah, it was like 100 off or something. If my timings were better, I could have definitely gotten that quicker. Use the base. If I use the base, yep, exactly. Full money already. Don't move up. Yes! He didn't get hit. We didn't get hit. And a Wicked Bahamut could just do like tons of damage in the front. 30,000 DPS. I'd love that. He just cleared out the herd in like 30 seconds. He's probably not going to survive that long because, well, it's a Wicked Bahamut. What's his job? His job is literally death. His job is to do damage. Then he dies like any other thing. Oh my gosh! We need to knock him back. Knock him back. Freeze him. Yes! Just do literally everything you can to make a Wicked Bahamut get as many shots off as he could. No! Yes! He froze him. A Wicked Bahamut. No! Oh my gosh, we had everything going for us until that shot. That one blow that knocked out literally everything. Yes. We're getting a Wicked Bahamut out, and even though we put him, like, out 20 seconds earlier than last time, it's like... Yeah, we got it. We got it. Yo, we even got 200,000 experience points. We're opening 3 rare tickets. There's a 9% chance of us getting an Uber. So we're not going to get it. But maybe we can get a super rare. There's basically like almost 60% chance. Okay, 2 rares. 3 rares? That's all fine. There's a new super rare. Talents. Are talents good? Oh, I can evolve this kid. The Rocap? No, thanks. Talents. Talents. Talents on a meat shield. Resist slow. Resist wave. Defense buff. Attack buff. Move speed up. Want to know who I use a lot? Freeze. Upgrade the freeze ability. Higher chance to freeze enemies. Yes. Level 5. Warp blocker. Resist curse. Defense buff. Attack buff. I don't have a Talon Orb. That's whatever. I mean, we got him pretty high up on freeze up. Anyways, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.